Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m.
I like this new camera.
At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Milwaukee, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, St. Francis, West Milwaukee, Milwaukee Holland Bridge, Marquette University, Mayer Festival Park, and Mitchell Park Domes. People attending Summerfest in Milwaukee should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee.